Welcome to Consumer Reviews. The best tabletop grill is probably one of the most versatile kitchen appliances you can own, offering a convenient and efficient way to enjoy grilled favorites indoors without the hassle of a traditional outdoor grill. Whether you're craving smoky barbecue ribs, perfectly seared steaks, or even grilled vegetables, a good tabletop grill can deliver delicious results any time of the year, making it an indispensable tool for apartment dwellers, small families, or anyone who loves grilled food but lacks outdoor space. Number 5. Hamilton Beach Electric Indoor Searing Grill. Experience the taste of outdoor grilling any time of year, right in your kitchen. Forget the hassle of propane or charcoal, this electric grill makes it simple. Achieve perfect grilling results with high searing heat up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. This locks in juices and flavor, ensuring tender and delicious steaks, burgers, and more. It's perfect for preparing healthy, high-protein meals. Enjoy grilling chicken, seafood, and lean meats with ease. Food won't stick to the removable, PFAS-free non-stick cooking surface. Cleanup is a breeze as the plate is dishwasher safe. Grill a variety of foods perfectly with adjustable temperature control from 200 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. You can easily customize the heat for everything from delicate shrimp to hearty vegetables. Know exactly when it's ready to cook. Indicator lights show when the power is on and when it has reached your desired temperature. The extra-large drip tray catches juices, preventing spills and making cleanup simple. The removable lid is also dishwasher safe for effortless maintenance. What we like. If you love that outdoor grill flavor but want to avoid the hassle, this is the one. Its high searing temperature locks in juices for perfectly grilled meats and veggies. Cleanup is a breeze with its dishwasher-safe components, making it ideal for busy individuals who want convenience without sacrificing taste. What people say. The grill heats up quickly and evenly, providing a great sear on meats. The non-stick surface makes cleanup a breeze, and the drip tray catches excess grease effectively. Its compact design is perfect for small kitchens or apartments, and it's easy to store. Number 4. Ninja Foodi Smart XL 6-in-1 Indoor Grill and Air Fryer. Introducing the Ninja Foodi Smart XL, your ultimate indoor grilling and air frying solution. It sears, sizzles, and crisps, bringing restaurant-quality results right to your countertop. Experience the taste of authentic barbecue indoors with our cyclonic grilling technology. It delivers 500 degrees Fahrenheit of even heat, creating perfect char-grilled marks without the need for an outdoor grill. Take the guesswork out of cooking with a smart cook system and thermometer. Achieve your desired doneness, from rare to well done, ensuring perfectly cooked meals without over or undercooking. With its XL capacity, you can cook for the whole family at once. Grill up to 6 steaks or 24 hot dogs, or prepare mains and sides simultaneously, making meal prep and family dinners a breeze. This isn't just a grill, it's a multi-cooker that also air crisps, roasts, bakes, broils, and dehydrates. It's the versatile appliance that replaces multiple others in your kitchen. Enjoy smokeless indoor grilling, perfect for apartments or any indoor cooking space. Get delicious grilled food with the convenience of your kitchen. What we like. For those who want ultimate precision and versatility, this appliance is a game changer. The smart thermometer ensures your food is cooked to perfection every time, from rare to well done. Its large capacity and multiple functions mean you can cook for a crowd and replace several other kitchen gadgets, perfect for families or anyone who loves to entertain. What people say. The grill has a non-stick surface that makes cleanup a breeze. It heats up quickly and evenly, providing a perfect sear on meats. The compact design is great for small kitchens and easy storage. Number 3. Maxi-Matic EMG 980B Smokeless Electric Grill. Don't let the weather stop your barbecue. Enjoy the fun of grilling indoors with this premium electric grill, perfect for creating delicious meals for your family. Save time by grilling all your favorite foods simultaneously on the large 14-inch surface. Its reliable non-stick coating ensures nothing gets stuck, making cleanup a breeze. Enjoy healthy, low-fat recipes effortlessly. Its circular heating element ensures faster, more even cooking, while fat drips away, keeping your food perfect. Cleaning up after grilling is no longer a chore. All parts of this electric grill are detachable and dishwasher safe, so you can spend more time enjoying your food. Designed by barbecue enthusiasts, this sturdy indoor grill is built to last. It comes with an exclusive 1-year warranty for your peace of mind. Easily control your cooking with the removable thermostat, featuring 5 adjustable settings up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Achieve perfect results every time. What we like. If you're looking for a grill that delivers consistent results and is incredibly easy to clean, consider this option. Its even heating ensures everything cooks perfectly, and the smokeless design means you can enjoy barbecues indoors without worry. It's a great choice for anyone who values simplicity and a hassle-free cooking experience. What people say. The grill is easy to use and clean. It heats up quickly and cooks evenly. The non-stick surface makes cooking and cleanup a breeze. Number 2. Hamilton Beach Electric Indoor Searing Grill, 25360. Enjoy delicious grilled meals year-round, right in your kitchen. This electric grill brings the outdoor grilling experience inside, without the hassle. Achieve that perfect sear with adjustable temperature control up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. It ensures your food is cooked to perfection, every single time. With an 118 square inch cooking surface, it's ideal for serving up to 6 people. Plenty of space to grill for family and friends. The removable non-stick grate is PFAS-free, making cleanup a breeze. You can enjoy healthier meals with less sticking and easy maintenance. Crafted with a sleek stainless steel finish, this grill is built to last. It's a stylish and durable addition to any kitchen countertop. From searing steaks to grilling vegetables, this appliance handles it all. Experience versatile cooking options for any meal, anytime. What we like. This grill is perfect for small gatherings or families who enjoy grilling together. It offers ample cooking space for up to 6 people and features a PFAS-free non-stick surface for easy food release and cleanup. If you want a reliable grill that can handle multiple servings without fuss, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The grill heats up quickly and evenly, making it easy to cook food to perfection. It's surprisingly spacious, allowing you to cook multiple items at once without overcrowding. The non-stick surface makes cleanup a breeze, just a quick wipe and it's ready for the next use. Number 1. Aigostar Sandwich Maker Flat. Enjoy perfectly grilled sandwiches with ease. This appliance heats your ingredients, melts cheese, and creates a crispy crust in just one simple press. Forget the frying pan. Make hot, delicious sandwiches in 5 minutes or less. Indicator lights let you know when it's ready to cook. Cleanup is a breeze thanks to the non-stick plates. No oil or butter is needed, making your meals healthier and tastier. Its compact and upright storage design makes it perfect for dorm rooms, RVs, and kitchens of all sizes. Take it anywhere. With 750 watts of power, it's great for grilling eggs, chicken breasts, and steaks. It's also perfect for paninis, focaccia, and more. The cool touch handle ensures safe operation, while the locking lid makes it easy to carry and store. Enjoy peace of mind with overheat protection. What we like. For those with limited kitchen space or who need a quick meal solution, this compact grill is ideal. It heats up rapidly and cooks sandwiches, eggs, or small steaks in minutes, making it perfect for dorm rooms, RVs, or busy mornings. Its non-stick surface and easy cleanup make it a convenient go-to appliance. What people say. The grill heats up quickly and evenly, providing a great sear on meats. The non-stick surface makes cleanup a breeze, and the drip tray catches excess grease effectively. Its compact size is perfect for small kitchens or apartments, and it's easy to store. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.